Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to copy your boards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your web site Trello and then just connect with your account, your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple account, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you succeed in connecting to your workspace, you will need just to go to your board that you want to copy. So basically, you will find your board list here by clicking in this boards in navigation tab. You will find your boards are listed here, or you can just check your boards or access them by going to your board section and click on the board that you want to copy, and here we will find this view. So basically now we will need to go to the boards option or menu by clicking on this 3 points icon. So we click on it, and here we will find the more button. So here we will see a bunch of buttons, and basically we are just going to choose the copy board action. So basically by that, either you have the ability or the choice to keep the cards, so you're not just going to have the listings or the lists, but you can keep also the cards and keep templates cards if you have created ones. And of course you are going to be able to choose which workspace you want to copy this board and give it this new name or title that you want. So let's just name it copy and create it. And as you can see, a new board will be created. So as you can see, it has the name copy and it has the same exact field and the same exact things as copy. So let's just have it again and let's try without copying the same cards. So let's copy this board, give it copy 2 for example, copy 2. Let's not keep in the cards, we will have only the list. So as you can see, and as I said at the beginning, it will only let the list here without copying the cards too. So basically this is how you can copy your boards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.